Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Cooking with the KAM Fam. And tonight we got the griddle fired up and we're cooking some smoked turkey melts. So we smoked some turkey breasts over the weekend and now we're using it as leftovers. So we're gonna make some grilled cheese with turkey on it. So stay tuned. Butter on here. We're gonna start toasting our bread. So
we're gonna burn this bread. It's up high.
Yeah, sorry. We're gonna cool it down. And we're using some multi-grain bread. So we're gonna go ahead and drop this bread, get it toasting.
You got some exercise happening over here. Let's see it.
All right, now y'all wanna. Why do we have an odd number of pieces of bread?
Because that's how many were in the package, and I figured Kevin will only want half.
All right, well, sure then. That's what we're gonna go with.
We got our volleyball expert over there.
Alright guys, I'm gonna turn it back up because otherwise we're gonna sit here for a while. We're gonna toast, we're gonna close the lid, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so let's flip our bread and starting to get a little bit toasty. So we just want to get this bread a little bit cooked already so it's not going to be soft when we start putting all our stuff on. A little done test. Alright, so let's start making some room.
What's that one in the corner doing?
This one?
The one that's not even on the butter.
Yeah, I'm going to move it for you. So here, we're going to make some space. And I'll turn these down to low so we can get our turkey on. So we can heat that up as well. Alright guys, so we got our smoked turkey. Alright guys, I'm going to give that turkey a little bit of water. Keep it nice and moist. And this bread, I'm going to pull it off. And why are we pulling this off, Sam?
Because I'm going to use some Laughing Cow cheese on it as a base. Before we put it back on to put it all together.
Don't forget about Kevin's one piece. Alright, so we're going to get our turkey spread out here.
Alright, so we're putting on some Laughing Cow cheese. This will be on the inside of the sandwich. This stack here is just regular Swiss. And the rest are going to get a little pepper jack. Okay.
Alright guys, so we have our sandwiches that we are getting ready. I'm going to drop a slice of cheese on there. And we're going to put a little bit of turkey on this. Put some turkey on there. Turkey on this one. And Oop. Turkey going everywhere, guys. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and close this up and start to make like a grilled cheese out of it. So, we got 2 sandwiches that are going to start melting. And this turkey here. Ooh. Alright, so now we have, these are all spicy. Is that correct?
Pepper jack, yes. I don't know about spicy.
We are spicing it up in the KAM Fam household tonight, guys.
Don't say that, McKenna won't eat it.
Right, she probably won't, but alright, we're going to put some cheese on these.
What kind of cheese?
So this is white American.
You sliced it yourself?
I did not. Kroger sliced it. They do a pretty good job.
White American. Like people.
Oh, look at that. In true KAM Fam fashion.
Alright, so turkey on here.
Did you make Kevlin sandwich with no cheese?
It's a long train.
Long and loud. Alright guys, we're going to close the lid and try to melt this down a little bit. Let's take a look and see where we're at. So, these things are cooking up rather quick. You don't want to burn these, so. These 2 might be done. These are those original Kevlins with no spice. So that includes McKenna. She doesn't do spice either. Now, what kind of sauce would you put on this sandwich? We got turkey, cheese, and multigrain bread. Are you going barbecue sauce? Ketchup like Kevlin? Or some mustard? Or maybe some special sauce? Donkey sauce? You let us know what sauce you're going to put on down below.
It's gonna need a sauce.
It's gonna be.
Right, I was going to put sauce on them on the griddle, but we're going to let everybody sauce their own. Alright guys, I think these are ready to pull. What do you think? So let's go ahead and I'm going to pull sandwiches. And we're going to clean this up and then we're going to go inside and see what we think.
Washing dishes, it's a brand new start. With the music playing, I'm dancing from the heart. Soupy bubble.
All right, Kevlin, take a bite. It's hard to bite down with 2 missing teeth, isn't it?
Can you wait?
All right, put your sandwich down. Why did you stick out your tongue?
Because I ate cheese.
Other than the cheese, what do you think?
Good.
Did you dip it in something?
Yeah.
What is that?
What did you dip it in?
I did it in like some ketchup.
A little bit of ketchup?
Yeah.
Okay.
I put this.
Horseradish mustard. You put it on your sandwich or you dipped?
I put it on.
Oh, geez, I sure hope you like it then.
It tastes good. I got ketchup and horseradish mustard, and I tried it with the horseradish mustard already, and it tastes good. And I'm gonna try with ketchup, see if like it tastes better, I guess.
I don't know that I've ever had sliced turkey and ketchup.
Both of them taste good, so.
All right, well, that's a winner then. No ketchup fingers.
All right, guys, I'm gonna cut this in half. I think this is one of the double cheese ones. And I'm gonna start off with some Sweet Baby Ray's hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce, because that's what I would normally eat with my turkey. So it only makes sense to put it on a sandwich.
That's what you would eat with smoked turkey or even sliced turkey? Just sandwich meat turkey?
Smoked turkey, sliced turkey, I'd probably have mayo.
Sandwich meat, you have to have mayo.
So it's not bad. I'm gonna do a little bit of horseradish sauce as well. Try not to spill. Throw a little horseradish sauce. Not bad.
How's the bread? This is different than any normal bread.
Right.
I like the bread.
Bread's good?
Bread's definitely quality. Now I'm gonna go for a little bit of combo bite. I think I'm gonna combo it up. Horseradish and
Ooh.
barbecue sauce.
Wonder if they sell that.
Ooh.
Sneak peek at another bite. So my plate is housing the other half of Kevlin's sandwich. But I'm really not hungry. So we'll see if I... No, girl. You are eating that.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes. Well, that is what's for dinner. So there you have it. Repurposed leftovers into some smoked turkey melts on the Blackstone. Quick and easy weeknight meal.
Yes, guys, and that's gonna wrap up this edition of Cooking with the KAM Fam. See y'all next time.
Bye.